This is December 16th, 2007. After a good 10 inches of snow overnight, the Sears kids are playing in the snow. Brian, say hey! He's right there. Benjamin's peeking out over top. And there's sweet little Malia. And of course, Daddy is doing his shoveling of the snow, which he loves to do. See, look at all that snow. Woohoo! And our neighbor Corky is over there. And then this guy's been working for probably a good hour just on that little church's parking lot. There's the boys. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Woo, Benjamin. He just threw a snowball at everybody. Hi, Malia. Say Merry Christmas. Or someone say Merry Christmas.